The time is 9:03. Just been informed that there is a 47 on the front of the Steam now. So here's some sheep.
Oh, paro! Are they going that way? They got their own bridge? I'm confused. How do sheep work? No.
We see a pair of geese. They are the biggest bastards in this world. We shouldn't really be filming them because they'll turn around and nick our mobile phones like pheasants. Now look at us, run away!
Why have you turned into Prince Charles? I didn't know you could do Prince Charles.
I'm very good at doing Prince Charles, apparently.
No, I have bunny! Bunny underneath the car.
The third exit.
Stupid bunny! Oh, fuckity fuck.
Still are Top Gear's #1 cameraman, as you still haven't been able to get any footage of a bird.
Oh yeah, you can get a 300-ton train, but I can't get a 3-ounce bird. Yeah. This is starting. There's a bee.
Yes, it's right by your leg. It's out now in your crotch. Now up your arse.
What is Herefordshire famous for? Looks like I'm reading a book here. Yes, Herefordshire. Cows. Oh yeah.
It's BBC for Hold on. Oh, Outback. I shall call you dead.
Start.
Last Tuesday, caught me out. I didn't know that the Wellington line was closed.
Oh yeah.
Steve started at Preston.
It is, yeah. I didn't go out.
Yeah. Well, I was already at Settle before I was told.
right.
Too small for a heron.
But as it happens,
Why did the chicken cross the road? It didn't, it stopped. No Anyway. Happens quite a lot, yeah. Oh! Son of a... Bastard. It is the way. It was a grouse, it wasn't a pheasant, or I would be livid. There's still bits of it everywhere. chicken. Calm down.
What?
It was a chicken. Oh, whoa,
Whoa, whoa.
That's not a chicken.
Whoa.
That is not a chicken. That is definitely not a chicken. That's a chicken.
I want to say
That's
that.
chicken.
I want to say they're turkeys, but
You'd be wrong.
I won't be. So I'm not going to say they're turkeys.
All right. Another disaster averted.